Everyone knows the Nanuk 935 is the world's best camera case, but does it actually keep your gear safe? Today we're gonna be testing how durable these things really are. I think it's gonna be fine. I almost felt so bad.
It's a big one, Crocky!
It's totally fine. This is the most insane thing I've done for a YouTube video. Most people think a camera case is meant to carry your gear from one place to another, but the most important thing that it does is keep your gear safe. There's all kinds of crazy things that can happen when you're out shooting. Oops. No! Oh my God, dude! This is the driving test. Did I drop something? No! Oh, dude, not even a scuff.
What the heck?
It's fine. See if we can skate it. I scuffed it up a bit, but look. Still totally fine. So if you check the spec sheet for these cases, it says things like dustproof, waterproof, impact, drop proof. These aren't just fancy marketing words that Nanuk uses. These are real military grade certifications that they have to go through rigorous testing to get approved for. Next up, we're gonna do a waterproof test. All right. It floats. See if it's dry on the inside. Oh yeah, perfect. I would put that camera in here and do that same thing, and it would be completely fine. On to the next. Trevor says he knows of a cliff that we can climb up to toss the case off of. It's big, so it's gonna be a big impact test. So we're on our way. Oh. We almost did a Jesse durability test there. Just found this rope swing. Oh my God. This wouldn't be much of a durability test if there was nothing inside of it. So I put my best camera in here to make sure that it keeps it safe. Oh man. Yeah, right, dude. I don't know if this is a good idea. This thing is gonna shatter.
I'm gonna rappel to the ground. When I get to the ground, you're gonna pull all the rope up. You're gonna tie an overhand knot, and you're gonna clip this to your harness.
All right, you got the camera?
Got the camera.
Bye. There's no way this thing will survive. There's no way. All right, so I'm roped in, so no accidents can happen. I'm gonna press record on this guy. Locked. Now I'm gonna launch the drone to get a super wide shot.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Apparently these things are drop proof and impact proof, so let's find out. Okay, car check, people check, you good? 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
I can't even find it, dude. Heck yeah.
Thanks for teaching me, buddy.
Yeah, bro.
All right, I guess we should find this thing. Oh, it's right there. Oh, okay. Look at this, it's fine. All right, let's check it out. Latches are good. Dude, everything inside, completely fine. Camera still works. Yep, we freaking threw this thing off of a mountain and it's completely fine. In no scenario should your case fall down something that high. But if it does, it's probably gonna be okay. And that's wild. So we put these cases to the test. They're impact resistant, crush resistant, waterproof. They can handle anything you throw at them or off. And that's why the Nanuk 935 is the best camera case on the market.